All right, some of the big stuff here. This could be stuff that people really, really care about. For some reason, wars tend to bring out patriotism, loyalty in a lot of people around the world. And World War II is definitely one of those things in U.S. history that does that. So we need to make the title there for it. We're going to look at, actually, you know what? I totally made a mistake. So you won't even see this World War I and World War II thing. You're just going to see this. So that's all we're going to go with. What you're going to do is you're going to make a 3-1, and we're going to keep the images here. You're going to access a New Deal project title here. So we're going to access the link by clicking the hyperlink, and it will take us to this. Redirect. You betcha. Wait for it. Awesome. What it's going to ask us here is you're going to choose 3 different projects to report on. You can use any city in California, and you're going to find the project. So let's say I wanted to do this. I would go ahead, find the project, highlight it, put in an image, and go with it. The whole point is I want you to really try to find something that maybe you think is super important to you. So if I was from the city like I am, from the city of Whittier, I could click that, and let's see what shows up. My advanced search, I just want, what do I want? Let's go again with this one. Well, that was interesting. My computer is running very slow right now, so let's not even worry about that because your stuff will pop up just fine. Whole point is you're basically going to take the project title, copy that to read more, like it says, and dump it in there, plus a picture. What we want to see in this is leading up to World War II, there was a lot happening in America, and what we want to do is we want to make a personal connection to things that we see every day. So, like for example, this swimming pool that was created in 1939. Maybe you have used this. Let's just assume you have. Um, wouldn't that be cool to make that connection? That's what we're looking for. So it's really called the Living New Deal. So it's just investigating. You're going to find 3, put them in there. What we're also going to do in the bottom now is this is more for your free reign and research. Is you're going to explore 3 different individual groups. So we're going to have 1 African Americans, 2 women, 3 your choice. Anyone, no problem. You're going to research in detail how these particular groups of people fit in during World War II in the United States. So follow the prompts in there in paragraph format, answer them. You do need to cite your source just because it is plagiarism if you copy things. What I would just ask you to do is just go ahead in parenthesis form and just type in and show us. If you want to put the hyperlink in as a source, you could right click it. Let's say I already had a hyperlink. I could come in there, put it in parenthesis it. I'm fine with that. So you can just go up there like that, copy it, and put it in. I'm okay with that. If you want to do it at the end of your paragraph too, you're more than welcome to write the paragraph, then in bullet points, put your source. Totally fine with that. Just make sure we get in the habit though of citing because it is stealing someone's idea if we don't do it, and we need to get into practice doing that, especially when we're making a web page for the people to see. Think about this. Try to go really deep with it, and when we find pictures too, let's try to find some things that we wouldn't typically see in textbooks or in just generic magazines. We want to find stuff deep about the people. Um, how assimilation was really like in World War II. We know different individuals were serving in different regiments and whatnot, but was the same thing at home? What was it like for the people? That's what we're really trying to investigate. So this is a pretty relatively easy one overall, pretty quick to the point. Again, if you have any questions though, please let me know. But again, it is a 3-1, which is this over here. Let's talk if needed.